Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, now for the traction control module, which fuses we need to check, we will demonstrate on this generation Dodge Ram right here, guys. You have multiple locations with fuse boxes, but we need to go ahead and open the hood. Under the hood, on the driver's side next to your car battery, you see that box? Okay, you need to remove the cover. You need to open it. You have two notches, press them in, leave that cover. Right underneath is the main engine fuse box. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the traction control module, 3 fuses will need to be checked. If you have traction control light on, we have a special video on our channel that will explain why traction control light is on Dodge Ram. Now, here the first fuse that we need to check is fuse number 6, very important fuse. Then you need to check, guys, fuse number 26, which will be that fuse here, and then you go like that. That's 78, 77, 76. That's the third fuse. So this fuse, that fuse, and the one right here. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.